What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. This is my second video on the channel. This video is probably gonna be pretty short because I mostly don't have a lot to talk about. But yeah, we can start off where we left off on the last video. My trading plan. I remember I talked about my trading plan for this week specifically. Unfortunately, this video is a bit late. My first video was recorded on Friday and today is Wednesday. So yeah, the original plan was to actually make a video on Monday, but yeah, I don't know. As I said in my last video, I was not even planning on taking any trades on Monday. But anyways, yeah, I did take a trade, if I remember correctly, on Monday on my new funded account. It was nothing special. I think it was like I really couldn't tell you guys. It was like a really small win. I mostly did it to get a day on the challenge phase, because there's a limit, of course. On our limit, there's a requirement of trading at least 4 days. Anyways, that was Monday, and then Tuesday, I remember I had already made a little plan, a trading plan for this week, where I remember I even wrote that I was not going to take any trades on Monday. Okay, this and the trade I took wasn't that big, so it basically doesn't count. Tuesday, I wrote that I was gonna take a trade, but I was gonna be pretty passive. I was gonna go small lot size. It was gonna be the first official trade, first official setup of the new funded account, and it was. I did exactly that. I took a much smaller lot. I did take my first trade. I hit my first TP, and I of course closed it. It was not crazy profits, but it was something. It was a pretty good start to a new account, which I was pretty happy about. And then today, Wednesday, usually my favorite day to trade on the forex market, but yeah, I don't know. I'm actually going to show you one of the trades here. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Right now we are on the higher time frame. This is not all of my charting, just so you guys know. This is, yeah, it's just a bit of it. I have other charts as well. Anyways, where are we? We are on the 19th, right? No, 20th November. Opening candle was right here, right there. From this to this is the 20th. This was the entire day. Okay, so guys, right here on the, where was it? It was pretty early in the morning. It was somewhere around here. I think it could be this very bearish candle right here. I really couldn't even explain why I took the trade that I took. I remember I don't know what I had. Like I remember I tried to, like, my plan was to simplify the trade as much as possible, because I don't know why. In my mind, I thought that all the trades, all the setups that I've taken before has lost because I've oversimplified trading. And you know, all the times on TikTok and on Instagram, you hear people saying, yes, the goal is to simplify trading. Find a simple way of trading and just use that. And of course, I did just that. My plan was, it was trend lines with a fair value gap, with a body close in a fair value gap, not a wick, and it was something else. I used some indicators as well. It was really nothing special. That was like my attempt of simplifying trading. Anyways, I remember I took a long right here. I'm gonna dive in on the shorter, smaller time frame to see where it was. It was right here on the around, what time was that? That was somewhere here, right? 7 o'clock. Yeah, it was somewhere around here. I can't tell you exactly where. Somewhere around here. Anyways, I remember I took a long, let's say around this point right here, maybe even here. I think it was before this big drop. Yeah, I think I actually bought right here, right around here. Yeah, I remember it was before this big drop that happened. Or maybe it was down here. Maybe it was 8 o'clock. Maybe it was around here. Anyways, I, for some reason, took a long here. I was watching earlier in the morning some podcasts about, I usually always watch podcasts in the morning or listen to podcasts about financial news for exactly that day. And I remember there was a lot of talk of the dollar not performing, but the dollar did perform. It was like, what? The dollar was doing pretty good today. Anyways, I mean, I guess the dollar didn't do well, but it was just exactly these 3 hours right here that it did well. I mean, that was one reason for gold dropping, I guess. Anyways, I mean, I even had this support right here. No, wait, oh no, that was before, never mind. Anyways, I took a long there. Of course, as you can see, price action kept on falling. Holy, it fell a lot. And yeah, of course, I took a big loss right there. And then, of course, I'm not exactly the person to revenge trade. I'd say I have pretty good psychology for trading, but yeah, I mean, I of course did take more trades this day. It was not because I was trying to get my money back wherever. It was simply because I thought that the setups were good. And on top, I just want to say, on top of this first trade that I took, where I tried to simplify trading, I remember again with these VIP groups, which I'm really starting to get annoyed at. They are so shit sometimes. As I said, I use them just as extra confirmation, but anyways, I remember they were also all exploding on a buy. And as you can see, it was a short. Anyways, long story short, I remember, I'd say after this point, when price action started reversing again into bullish market right here, it was like so simple to, it was actually really simple to trade this. I feel like I don't know which trading strategy you guys use, but I think any strategy right here would have worked. For me, it was like, you can see, it was simply always an expansion into retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement. It was like a pretty clear uptrend for these few hours here after 1 p.m. It was like really easy, you just got in on you saw an expansion, for example. Now you saw an expansion into retracement, expansion into retracement, and after the third time you saw an expansion, you expected retracement. You saw that, or in my example, I saw that the dollar was performing pretty poorly. All the indicators were showing a uptrend. I had heard some talks about the US session planning on retesting this 264.5 zone right here, and it did, of course. Yeah, I don't know, it was was really, I don't know, really easy to trade. Yeah, I couldn't tell you guys exactly what my personal strategy is, but anyways, I think like whatever strategy used here, the market was so simple to navigate right here. Yeah, I mean, even this, I remember like, no, this is nothing special now, but just showing you guys again, like this, just this little thing. Well, look where this was. I'm not even moving it. I put this like 4 hours ago. Look where it is. It was like so clear. Remember, I saw this retracement into this expansion. I was like, okay, yet again, the market wants to test this 264.5 zone. We're in a bullish uptrend. This was the previous high right here, right? Yeah, my phone just keeps on dying. I'm gonna finish this off quickly. Anyways, as you could see, just this such a small thing that actually means nothing and shows nothing. But anyways, I placed out this little arrow, expecting like where the retracement will go. I had some other zones and other charting on another page, so this is not all of it showing exactly. But anyways, like you can see, like it was exactly where the retracement went and almost exactly where the expansion went. It was like pretty fucking clear. Anyways, I took a couple of trades here. My phone just keeps on dying. I don't know what to say. Anyways, I'll finish it off right here. Thursday, probably gonna trade a lot. Friday, insane on Forex Factory. Insane amount of red folders. This is crazy. It's like scary to look at. It's, yeah, as you can see right here. It's a lot on euro, to be honest, but I mean still, USD is in the shits. Yeah, with two red folders, one orange, one yellow, medium, low, high impact. It's a lot. We're gonna see before my fucking phone dies again. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, and yeah, it's gonna be a good trading day tomorrow. I can feel it. Peace, guys.